Welcome back, Nicole's 45 subscribers. Today Nicole and I are swapping roles and I'm gonna host. We've got the lovely returning Sarah, aka Nicole's mom, joining us for her third unboxing today. If you could be any Thanksgiving side, what would you be and why?
Oh, I already think I'm a sweet potato. I'm sweet. I'm mushy. Sometimes if you make them good, they got nuts on it. I can be nutty too.
This is true. Nutty, sweet, and mushy.
What more could you want? Looks soft and seasonal. And there's jeans.
First item.
It is a cardigan.
It is a cardigan. What's the length on that? I can't see.
It's pretty long.
Oh yeah.
Drapes are not really my friend.
Okay. Pop it up. Again, it's got that 41 Hawthorne softness to it. All right. This is really cute.
Yep, and it's very soft.
That's a great color too. Tis the season for the mulberries and cranberries and wine, cabernets. It's a lighter material, so you definitely want to layer that up for the fall. Just a tiny bit of striping here.
These look like jeggings. It's Nicole's favorite fake pockets.
Oh, fake pockets.
And fake zipper.
Up first is the Love Ellie Marley Duster cardigan in navy. So we've got this beautiful navy with a little bit of a merled white stripe in it. We've got a lovely slit on the sides. It's almost like the mesh is a little bit sheer. It's cute. I like that. And as we move down, we've got on the Liverpool Elizabeth Super Skinny. First thing you did is you were like doing your high kicks in them, lots of movement.
I could run.
Right on, very cute. Give us that jegging pull test. Nice.
Very comfortable.
Yeah. There's no placket on the front, which gives it a nice smoother look for when you're wearing your tunics. The faux pocket.
Well, this is a little real.
Oh, well, we got it.
It's a little real there.
Pocket. You put your Aldi quarter in there. We do have real pockets in the back with just the tiniest bit of distressing. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne. It's the Arnold Raglan knit, stripe and dark gray.
Stripes make me look too buxom.
Okay.
That's when my eyes, John, and I don't really like stripes.
Sarah's modeling for us the fourth item. This is a lovely purple cardigan, double pockets. The same length front to back. That ribbon carries all throughout the sweater.
I like it. It's soft. It's good. It's looking nice.
Yeah.
For me.
The color's really nice with you. We visited your stylist note while you were changing. They had suggested that the striped shirt would be paired with this. Does it change your mind at all about the striped shirt?
No. This is better with something over, but I would never match these two things together.
Yeah. We're back with the fifth item in Sarah's box, the Callan brushed knit soft hoodie. This is in another heathered gray with just a little bit of striping at the sleeve. Pockets, which everybody loves. It's got this nice scalloped edging, nice full hood with an aggressively thick string.
The string doesn't bug me like it bugs you. It's a color I'm trying not to wear, although I wear it every day of my life anyway, gray. But this is really comfy.
Yeah,
and it's really soft. Like the strips here.
Everything you wore just looks great.
I really do like this.
We're going to decide if you're going to keep it and untag it or if it's going to go back in the bag because it didn't work out for you. Okay, so we're going to put this one.
That's a bag for sure.
This is in the bag of rejection. What else is going in the bag?
This
is in the bag. Bag it. Get it in there.
This too, because this is similar to things I already had.
Got it. Got it.
Now these two.
You like those a lot, I agree.
I can't decide. What do you think?
When we were talking when you were upstairs, we both narrowed it down to those two.
We did, yeah.
And it was, if you were only going to get one, get the jeans.
Get the jeans.
That's exactly kind of what I'm thinking. I really like the jeans, and I think I would get a lot of use out of these.
Oh, yes.
Even though I really like this too, I think this is
okay. This is going back, but you know what? This gives us an opportunity to know what to shop for you for Christmas.
Well, it certainly does. I think this person did, I mean, actually pretty good.
And so cheers to Leslie,
Mm-hmm.
your new stylist, because you had Jenny. We don't know where Jenny went. Every single person has kept a pair of jeans when we've done a video. If you're a person who hates buying jeans, you don't like the way they fit, I say click on that link below for that $50 referral code and come join us, because you'll at least get a pair of jeans that you're going to save at least $50 on.
This was my second pair. So
Yep.
usually I would have tried a lot more jeans on.
Yep.
To get anything to fit.
Click, share, like, do it all, and we'll see you next time.
Margaritas next time.
I would either be a delicate cranberry relish or some cornbread stuff.
You would not be a delicate relish.